consider this input sequence. Say 1, -10, 6, 7, 8, 100, 20, 15, 5, 4. So to start with, we create B naught having just 1, then we add -10, then 2 copies of this is not allowed, so we get -10 and 1. So you may maintain a pointer which can be updated on the fly. So initially this will be minimum. Then once we see that we cannot have 2 copies of B naught and the min out of this will become the root, then min will be pointing this. So after merge we also update minimum. So next we insert 6, so we have -10 and 1, then we insert 6, so we have a copy of B1 and a B naught, that's allowed. Min is still pointing this. So on insert you check whether this min needs to be updated, and no need, so retain the pointer as it is. So next insert 7, so this is not allowed, so go for merge and we create 6 and 7. Subsequently you see that 2 copies of B1, so we retain only 1, so we get -10, 1 and 6, 7. Min is still pointing this. So next we insert 8, next we insert 100. So now at this point in time we go for merge, so we get -10, 1, 6, 7, 8 and 100. Between these two this is minimum, so no need to update the min pointer. So next we insert 20, so this is fine. When we insert 15, so we see that 15, 20 gives you 15, 20, then you have 8, 100, and so this gives you the structure 8, 100, 15, 20. Then you have -10, 1, 6 and 7. So we see that on merge we get -10, 1, 6, 7. Then on the other side it's 8, 100, 15 and 20. So subsequently after 20 we added 15, this is what we have. Then we add 5, then we add 4, and 2 copies of this is not allowed, so which means these two is merged, so we get 4, 5, -10, below that 1, 6, 7, 8, 100, 15 and 20. So now how many nodes are there? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So number of nodes is 10. What is the binary representation of 10? That is 1, 0, 1, 0, which means we have a copy of B1, we have a copy of B3. So this is B3 and this is B1. And between these two minimum is still this, no need to update. So now you can see that on the fly we were able to insert, and if the copy of BI is already existing, merge and then create BI plus 1 and do it iteratively. If you find a copy of BI plus 1, merge, create BI plus 2 and so on. And finally we get a binomial heap where each BI appears at most once. Fine. Now you can look at it this way. Now what would be the cost of insert? So build is essentially sequence of n inserts, right? Now what is the cost of insert? Imagine the worst case scenario. What is the best case? Best case is this. Best case is no B naught exist. So which means for the new node, simply create a copy of this. So for the new node, create B naught. That's all we have done. And no further merge and so on. What is the worst case scenario? So you already have a copy of B naught. You have a copy of B1. You have a copy of B2. Say you have a copy of B3. Now with that, you add a copy of B naught. So now what happens? B naught will create B1. B1, you already have B1. So B1 and B1 will create B2. And B2 is already there. So B2 will create B3. B3 is already there. That will create B4. So that is essentially is this. So let's assume the worst case scenario is you have B0, B1, B2 and so on. Inserting a node is actually adding 1 to binary representation of n. So now this is our existing binomial heap. To this existing binomial heap, you are inserting a node. Inserting a node is equivalent to adding 1 to the binary representation of n. N is the total number of nodes in the existing binomial heap. Now what is this telling us? So 1 plus 1 is 0 and a carry 1. That means when we merge two copies of B0, we create a copy of B1. That is what is indicated by this carry, and we will not have B0 at all. And we already have a copy of B1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. We get a carry 1, which means we create a copy of B2. And we keep doing this. So finally we get to see 1 followed by 0 everywhere. This is the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is such that you already have a copy of B0, B1, so on up to the highest order pk. And on insert, all of them disappear and we get a new binomial tree of order k plus 1, or we create bk plus 1. So now what is the cost of this? Which means you will have to merge with B0, then B1. So the entire root list one has to scan. And we know that number of number of nodes in the root list is log n. So the worst case cost is theta of log n. In general, the cost of insert is order log n.